Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 431 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video, and that was using a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 330 of the other strategies that we put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,053 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says TradeGenius Trendline Trading Edge Trendline for Dummies 2025. A little bit of an interesting title there, but basically we have a trend line strategy here that hopefully is relatively simple to use. And we're going to put that to the test. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on the screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 3 EMA indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is under the style, you're going to uncheck the 10, keep the 50 and 200 checked, and you can change them to whatever color and line weight you want. I made the 200 just a little bit thicker than the 50, and of course gave them different colors there. And so the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the higher high, lower low strategy, and it's this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and this one will jump into the settings. What we're going to do is under the inputs, the left bar we're going to change to 9, and the right bar we're also going to change to 9. Then under the styles here, you can keep everything checked except for this lines option right here. Go ahead and uncheck that and click OK. One last thing I did was I unchecked the change bar color right here as well. So that way the bar color is just normal. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for when price is trading below the 2 moving averages like it is here. And they didn't specifically mention that they need to be stacked in a specific way, so we won't really go into that. But the price is trading below both the moving averages. Then what we're looking for is a lower low, the LL tag like this here. Once we get that lower low, we are then looking for a higher low tag like this here, and we want to make sure that price doesn't go above the moving averages by the time we get that higher low tag right there. Then what we're going to do is just take a standard trend line. We're going to draw from the lower low to the higher low. We're just going to project it out like so. And then what we're going to do is just go ahead and play this forward, and we're looking for price to break below that trend line like it does right here. Let's play one bar forward here. Didn't quite make the break. Let's see. And right there we get that break. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that it is clearly below the trend line right there. Then what we're going to do is we are going to set a stop right above the lower high right here. So we'll put our trade right here and put our stop just right above this lower high tag, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is when price is trading above both the moving averages, like it is here. We're looking for a higher high tag like this here to print on screen. Then we're looking for a lower high like this here. Then we're going to do just like before. We're going to take a trend line. We're going to draw it across those two peaks right there. And we're going to project it out a little ways like this. We're looking for price to break above that and close above that. And you can see here, just play it forward a little bit. Catch the point it actually makes the break and closes above. Oop, actually did so right there. So that would be our entry there into a long. We'd put our trade right there. We're going to set our stop just right below this higher low right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, I went ahead and just jumped forward here because this one did take just quite a while before we eventually hit our take profit. As you can see here, price just kind of moved along for a while, then made this really nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy, whether it be in 2025 or regardless. Now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 86 trades altogether. We had 67 winning trades and 19 losing trades, putting it at a 77% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $40,200. The losing side, you'd have lost $22,800 for an overall gain of $17,400. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased your win rate quite significantly, would have put your total gain closer to the $40,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so yesterday I closed out winning trade number 55. That is using the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video, as well as the position management strategy. I will put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. So that's 55 winning trades in a row over 3 months of 100% profitability. In back testing, the combination was so powerful it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord for free and check out the money back guarantee right here if that is something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel